everyone, this hair tea recipe is so super easy. All you have to do is start off with 1 cup of water and any brand of chai tea. Chai tea usually consists of black tea, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, fennel, clove, and black pepper. And I used about 3, and I just wanted to add a little extra ginger, so I used about a tablespoon of that. And you just want to bring water to a boil. After that's set and ready, you can add some apple cider vinegar, which is really good for your hair, and any other things that you want to add to it. And I decided to put a little more aloe vera juice, and I used about 2/3 of a cup. And I just wanted to give my hair a little boost after it's all boiled. Just put it in a spray bottle or whatever it is that you want to use to apply it to your hair whenever it feels dry and scratchy. And that's pretty much it. Very simple, easy, anybody can do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I guess I'll see you cuties in my next video.